हेलो ह्यूमंस, अभी बेंगलोर में जा रहे हैं बेंगलोर पैलेस और यहाँ पर हम ट्रैफिक में अटके हैं क्योंकि वाई नॉट बेंगलोर हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है जहां मैं बनाता हूं ट्रैवल व्लॉग। बेंगलोर ऑफ Oh, we can flip the camera also. Nice.
So Bangalore Palace on?
This is Bangalore Palace. Inside very small. I mean not so big. Also the ticket is 250 rupees per person. So poor us, we are not going inside. I mean
No, 50 rupees only.
not 50, 250
Why bro?
for Indians.
Ooh, 50 rupees, why?
Just to view it, visit it. And now we are going out of the Bengaluru Palace क्योंकि we don't have enough money to spend 260.
Bro, very fast, why bro?
I mean it depends. Actually, you know what I heard is that there still lives a family.
Yeah, this guy my country.
This guy is from maybe he's not from New Zealand, you know.
No, New Zealand, Australia. Pakka bro.
Not every white is from New Zealand, Australia, US, UK.
Pakka bro.
There are other countries also where white people exist, you know. Ha 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 ha. Bones. You are checking bones? Oh, is it wooden? क्या? नहीं. हाँ. They will kill us, you know. I mean not kill us, but will beat us. Guys, this is me. Your favorite.
Function hall.
Huh? Function hall. Yeah.
Creating bro. That's
Huh?
only creating.
Oh, but nice, huh?
Hmm.
I mean, now I guess it's done, whatever they are trying to do. But still. What this? This for. This is registration. Okay. I mean, it ended now. Come on, so nothing now.
Registration.
Registration. I guess it ended. I mean, I don't know whenever the date or whatever was, but now it's ended. So we are going back without doing anything. We come here paying 120, okay? And now we are going back with just 4 or 5 pictures and this weird vlog which I won't post mostly. So nice. We are not wasting time. So what exactly are we doing? I don't think wasting time. Huh? He come here for looking the foreigners and I come for looking for places. Okay, Karji, please give yourself some way. What is that side? Huh? That side also cars are going, na? That side.
That's entry and exit.
That side, huh?
Ah.
So what is it? This side?
This is main gate.
Okay, leave it. Hey, Ashok, let's go that side. Huh? That's why we are going, na?
That's also
Dogs are there.
entry.
Dogs are there. What do you call dogs in Telugu?
Kukkalu.
Kukkalu.
Kutta, kukka.
Kukkalu.
That kutta means very different. Telugu means different.
What is kutta in Telugu? Some bad kya?
Yes.
Leave it. Don't. He never said anything. I didn't.
That's only one word only unmatched in Telugu Hindi.
There are millions of words that don't match in Hindi and Telugu. I mean, there are a lot of words that match in Hindi and Telugu.
Anyayam.
Huh. Like a lot of words are similar because both are derived from the Sanskrit thing. So a lot of words are similar.
Sanskrit.
What Sanskrit?
Sanskrit. Dubbing Telugu.
Dubbing. It's not dubbing. Dubbing, okay. It is like
Sanskrit dubbing
deriving.
Hindi.
Deriving. It's just both come from that
Telugu
side. No?
dubbing Kannada. But not words only.
But
Words only.
Telugu and Kannada do similar words.
That only dubbed.
But I guess Telugu.
Speaking not matched.
Yeah. By the way, this is I guess backside only. There is nothing this side. Exploring the backside of Bengaluru Palace, which you shouldn't because there is nothing. Okay. I mean, see, there is this.
Security person in the area is there.
Where security person?
In the area.
Okay. Also.
Princess Raju's that area.
Princes and everything are there. Right, that's it.
Security only this area.
The thing is, I heard is that they still, I mean, live the people inside the Bengaluru Palace. That's why it's very costly. I mean, 260 is really costly for Indians, honestly. And based on the reviews I read, it is not so good also.
For India costly. Foreigner 500 not costly, yeah.
Foreigner, it's everywhere.
$4 only.
It's everywhere. I mean, that's what. I mean, it honestly, it is
$4
not.
bro, $6.
8.
In American, $8.
Yeah, but no, $8 what?
75, 75.
85 it is. 85 it is $1.
85 now.
Around 85 $1.
No, 80 only.
So, okay, let's keep 80 also.
160,
So it is 6 only. 6, around 6.
$8.
6, yaar.
$8.
What 8?
80, 160, 160, 160.
Tell me, 160, 160?
320.
320.
180.
8 into 5. 8 into 5 is what?
Okay, $6.5.
Not even 5, 6.5. It is $6 only.
$6.5.
$6 only. Because they make video na only less than $1 samosa, less than $1 this. Now they will make $5. It is okay for them. They can buy from this na. It is okay. But from danger. This is I guess some old house maybe. What is this vehicle for used for? This vehicle, this.
I don't know.
And all these vehicles.
Generator, bro.
Lot of generators are. Come on. Oh, everywhere generator only.
Generator.
Too much generator, don't you think? There can be a better solution than a lot of generator. Oh, is there? Oh, I guess maybe there is no direct way for electric.
Bro, I speaking English. YouTube पे बता.
क्या हिंदी में बोलूँगा तो तुम्हें समझ नहीं आएगा ना?
हाँ हिंदी ला बोलो.
तो तुम्हें समझ नहीं आएगा. मैं बोलूँ इतने सारे जनरेटर की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना?
हाँ okay no problem.
क्यों है?
क्यों? Biggest Bangalore palace in Karnataka. कर्नाटकలో పెద్దది ఇది.
First of all, biggest no, not biggest. Okay, very small.
You speaking Hindi?
बहुत छोटा पैलेस है.
छोटा पैलेस नहीं है ब्रो.
छोटा ही है यार. नहीं बहुत बड़ा नहीं. I mean not बहुत बड़ा नहीं. यार तुम पंगे कराओगे.
छोटा नहीं. Big बड़ा.
Not that big.
పెద్దది.
I don't think that big.
పెద్దది బ్రో.
Whatever.
ఏరియా పెద్దది నా.
Area is also not that big. Area is also not that.
Big.
It is not that big. Come on.
ఏరియా పెద్దది.
No, not that big. छोटू सा. हाँ भाई हाँ. Empty road. Truck. ला हम चले बाहरों में. ये वाला कट कर दूंगा मैं. Buddies, trees. See, there was an event here, and now you can see the bottles everywhere lying. All the trash. That is the problem with us humans. Everywhere we go, we throw trash. Because we humans are
staying.
trash. Workers staying, yeah, correct. But I mean, yeah, trash we should not throw it like that, na, here, there. Come on, this is not a good thing. Hill. Konda. Konda means hill. Golconda, which means rounded hill. Golconda Fort is there in Hyderabad. Promoting that also. Golconda Fort, go, please visit. That is a nice place. I never went because our plan got dismissed because we were late as always. But this guy went to 2 times.
You never go.
Inside Golconda, no. I mean, not even outside because it takes time and we didn't have much time. So we visited other part of Hyderabad.
Palace.
Security Palace.
Security guarded visited.
Oh, whatever. No one stays here. Yeah, this is some old, but
Security guard.
no one. This way we are going somewhere here. It's not that far. It is 11 minute of walks. We'll go by walking. Let's go. Bye. हाँ भाई, इससे ज़्यादा नॉइज पोल्यूशन नहीं कर सकते थे क्या तुम? ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू दी आर्ट म्यूजियम, नेशनल आर्ट म्यूजियम समथिंग. ओके, बाय बाय.
Bro, what is this? Bro, palace, bro. One photo, bro.
Palace building only, normal building. Yaar, come on.
What is this?
Why so obsessed with building?
Company,
I don't know, whatever it is. I mean,
company, bro.
why so obsessed with buildings?
Company.
Company. Some random company. Yep.
That video, bro, stupid.
Let's go inside. Let's buy the tickets.
20 rupees, bro.
Huh.
No problem.
And see foreign national 500. Now tell me, you are foreign or Indian?
Foreign.
Pay 500. Pay 500. Go.
I'm brown.
No.
I'm brown.
It don't matter. It don't
I'm
matter.
brown New Zealand. I'm in India.
No.
I'm not.
Now pay 500. This is our ticket. See how nice, beautiful, curated ticket this is. That is how you have to make tickets, everyone. Something is happening, na here? What is it?
I don't know.
Some event. This event, something that was happening is done. Oh, that cultural event, you see? Huh. Sorry. You see that event, cultural event is happening. Okay. This. Oh yes, it's not the side we have to go inside from. Just a second. That cultural event thing that just happened, it ended. We are a little late, by the way. Sorry. Okay, let's go inside. Oh, this is the food area. Okay. Other side. Other side, huh? What are they guys doing above?
500.
This guy is very upset because the foreigner ticket is 500.
My country.
You
My colleague country.
don't cry, okay? What is that?
I'm crying.
Oh, this is a turtle-like shape. Turtle-like stone. Okay. Huh. Yeah, going inside only. Let's go.
Oh, you don't have sense?
It's same only. Come on. That's for wheelchair, okay? Sense. It is for wheelchair. I do have sense. Sangrahalaya Museum. Why are you running like me? Don't you time? This Indian thing. Yamini Roy.
Bro, 87.
Painting na. We have some paintings which you don't understand. Abstract art.
I'll buy this.
You don't understand.
2 lakhs.
Buy it 2 lakhs.
I'll take.
Not buy it 2 lakhs.
So, sorry, I'm sold in 2 lakhs.
No.
I did.
No, I don't want it. I don't want it for free also.
This, bro, free.
This free. I can take anything.
1848, Raja Ravi Verma. This is painting.
Oh, Raja Ravi Verma.
This is painting.
Lady in Moonlight. It is nice, by the way.
This is.
Can you give me one? This one. This 125 one. This one.
125
It's
rupees.
125 rupees, yeah. Can you buy and give me one?
1 rupee only.
Oh, 1 rupee. Not Lal Bose. What is this? Halpura Paints. Not Lal Bose. 1882 to 1996. Let's go inside.
Modern art.
This is what? Dhaki. What is Dhaki? What is this? What is this? Dhaki.
Taki, I mean door.
Door. Video is okay. Outside we can take videos. Inside we can only take photos. of paintings, not our personal photo also.
Also don't take.
And here we have scanning guide. Okay. तो बेसिकली बटन वाला वो ये है कि भाई अगर आप जो भी टाइप के लोग हो उसमें भर दो, जिससे देख लेंगे बाद में कि कौन सा टाइप सबसे ज़्यादा लोगों का था। तो वैसे ही कुछ था बस, बाकी कुछ नहीं था। मतलब आप जो भी टाइप के हो, जैसे बच्चे हो तो आप अपना टाइप डाल दोगे ब्लू बटन है, उस टाइप से स्टूडेंट हो, ट्रैवलर हो, कुछ क्रिएटिव में हो, तो उस टाइप से अपने हिसाब से उठा के बटन डाल दो बस उस लिस्ट में। दैट्स ऑल। हाँ, एंड दिस इज द होल ट्री। भाई देखो क्या epic है।
Friendship, bro. That's a British girl fighting.
Not every girl that look white is British, by the way. But my point is that the garden looks nice also. And this is the place where we just went, the museum, part 2. So two parts are there. One is this one, and other one is that one. So that one we already visited, and this one is also there. And this is the kind of garden place only. Where
Oh,
we
you,
visited.
you
And all.
both are talking English?
I don't know. Maybe she learned Hindi or any native language, and she started Hindi.
Bongang
speaking.
kaadu.
Bongang Kadu. Maybe she was saying same thing. Cheppu bro, Cheppu. Maybe she was saying same thing. Who knows?
No, thing.
And here the program is going on. English, अंग्रेजी beat दे.
अंग्रेजी वाला.
अंग्रेजी बोल लो. So पता नहीं भाई ये कुछ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट है या क्या है, पत्थर है, समझ नहीं आया मुझे तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं यहाँ से। इवनिंग हो गई भाई, 6 से ज़्यादा हो गए। और ये कल्चरल प्रोग्राम अभी भी चल रहा है। अभी दुर्योधन वध वाला पार्ट चल रहा है। मैं भी मतलब महाभारत वाला, क्या मैं भी नहीं बोलता हूँ मैं, बट महाभारत वाला। और ये लड़की की भाई कोई मत सुनना। और यहाँ देखो लड़का है जो है ना, ये अभी ड्राइंग कर रहा था ऐसे बहुत अच्छी सी, कुछ पता नहीं अभी तो फिर वो कर रहा है, बट अभी उससे पहले थोड़ी सी देर ड्राइंग कर रहा था ऐसे। भाई चलो चलते हैं अब हम घूम के। इधर साइड एक ग्राउंड एंड ये आउटसाइड एरिया। अभी हम जाते हैं, बाय बाय। अभी बज रहे हैं शाम के 6:15 और हम लोग अभी जाने वाले हैं इंदिरा गांधी म्यूजिकल फाउंटेन पार्क में। मुझे नहीं पता ही चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा क्या है, पर क्योंकि यहाँ से पास है तो इसीलिए हम जा रहे हैं।